Here, I click on View and then Board Planning Mode. When the printed circuit board looks like this, in green, it means we are in the board editing mode. By clicking here on Design, I can find different functions to modify my board outline. They are all related to the shape of my board. It is interesting to take your time exploring these functions. I'll show you some of them, like Edit Board Shape. Here, I can select some of these points that Altium already places on my board outline, and I can start changing them. In this way, I can create a different design for my board. For example, like this. When I click outside the edit mode, Altium keeps my new shape. Coming here to View, I can see that my board already has a different format. Another interesting function is Modify. I can come here, click on any of the points, and start building a very different and very customized shape for my board. But you can see that at this moment, I don't have much control over the size of this circuit board. So I'm going to show you a really cool function that we can enable here so we can build using a grid and understand the board size more clearly. I'm going to come back here to the 2D area, and I'll also return our board to its original size by using Ctrl-Z. By default, Altium shows measurements in mils, but our standard unit of measurement is millimeters, because that gives us a better idea of the actual size. So I'm going to click here on Properties. The first thing I'm going to do is change the units from mils to millimeters. Okay? Now I can have a much better idea of the board size. Wherever I position the mouse cursor, Altium shows me an X and a Y coordinate based on my 0 point on the board, which is this one.